Greetings, teacups. It is your all-knowing and powerful leader here. I haven't put a video on my vlog channel for a while, so I thought that we would make some pancakes, because it's Pancake Tuesday. Shrove Tuesday for all you religious types. So yeah. Don't know if you can see that. It's fucking freezing in here, and I've got new earrings, so I don't know if you notice. It's in the wrong hole, but my bottom one's healed up, so yeah. Alright, we're going to make some pancakes. Better yet, we're going to make student pancakes. So, your ingredients. As this is student pancakes, you're far too poor to buy individual ingredients, so pancakes in a bottle! That's all you do. All you add to this, water. Make 6 pancakes, and I'll tell you what, I'm having them all. Because I've been working out like a mofo and I deserve it. And to go on top, we have some lemon juice, which I had anyway because I drink honey, hot water and lemon, and some sugar that for some reason we keep in the coffee jar. So, we'll also need a non-stick frying pan, some oil if you have it, but I don't, so I'm going to use butter. And first of all, we shall prepare our traditional style shake and make pancakes. So, there is a line right here, and we're going to fill it to that line. And once you've filled it to that line, we are going to shake the fuck out of it. Make all the dirty innuendos that you want. I don't care. You can see there's still some left in the bottom, so we're going to shake it some more. God damn you! Mix! What? And if you've got some stubborn bits in the bottom that just will not go, then you will need a chopstick. And you are going to get your wily little chopstick. And you're going to stick it down there and poke it about. Poke the shit out of that pancake mix. Check again. Oh yeah. Alright. Now, you turn our pan on. You don't want it too hot. Alright, now, you're going to want to turn that down because that's really hot. I've already washed this. You're going to need to wash it because otherwise, well for me personally, otherwise my pancakes would taste like spag bowl. So we're going to take our butter. That was maybe a smidge too hot. Alright. That's melted nearly enough. So now we're going to add our batter. And at this stage, once the butter's been melted, you can turn it up a bit. In fact, I would suggest that as a must. You're going to wait till there's no liquid or very little liquid left on top of your pancake. You want it to be pretty damn cooked. And because I'm not a dumb motherfucker, I'm not going to try and flip this thing. Hell no! And it is now stuck to my frying pan. My non-stick pan is sticking! What is this fuckery? Oh, Jesus! Alright, if that happens, just flip it in half. Just do it. Yeah, look how good that looks. I'm so excited to eat this. Try and scrape off any burnt bits. Alright, good. Jesus Christ. Appropriate. Alright, let's just go ahead and put this one on our plate. We're going to try another. Oh dear. Alright, note to self. the butter is a good idea. Oh dear me. Let's just get rid of that, shall we? Yeah. And then we'll flip that and get rid of that. Yeah. Well, that was tasty. Looking better than the others. You know what? I just don't think I'm made to make British pancakes. I can make American ones. There's little round, thicker ones. Them make the shit out of those bad boys. This is foreign territory for me. Oh, my glasses are fogging. My glasses are fogging. Ah, I can't see. Oh, crap balls. Well, needless to say, the giant pancake idea did not work. And it looks like I'm making scrambled eggs. Fuck it, I'm having pancake scrambled eggs. I'll tell you what, they don't look pretty, but they damn taste good.